Hi. So this is on the tips for the final years and also for the job seekers. See, everyone is finishing the degree and they are searching for job. You may ask me a question like why they are not getting a job. There are some specific reasons. I'm going to tell you like what is the reason behind the job seekers and the final year students which they are struggling for job. Let's see. The first is like you have to focus in coding part. You should be damn strong in coding, either C or C++ or Java. You may ask me a question, sir, I'm an electronics department or electrical department. Why can't you can learn C or C++ or coding? So the thing is like you should think like why I should not do it. So on the other hand, you should think like why so I can't do this one. The reason is like predominantly there are lots and lots of opportunities available in IT industry. And most of the people will focus and they will go for a job in IT industry. So to enter into the IT industry on an easy manner, this one will help you. So you should be strong in like a coding. Apart from that, you should be strong in your department technology, which is also really important. So if you're damn strong in technology, you are able to get a job. The reason is like I used to ask very simple questions to lots and lots of students who are coming for job searching for the interview. For electronics candidate, I asked a simple question: what is electronics? No, they don't know. So that's why the issue is. So you have to focus on the basics of technology. It's more than enough to get a job. On the other end, the second one is like a final year project. So mostly like the students will go somewhere to the centers to get a project and they will submit to the college for getting the marks. But we don't have a vision that after your degree, if you go to your company, they will ask about your final year project. So one of my friend, he went for the interview and they asked to bring the final year project. He brought it and he kept it in the company and he configured the project and he ran the project. The guy, the interviewer, what he have done is like he deleted 10 lines of code and asked my friend to type it. If you are able to type this code, we'll give the job to you. So this is where they are focusing on final year project. So it's advisable to learn the final year project one. And second thing is like if you are making a final year project by your own, for sure you will get the job. The reason is the experience which you will get while doing the final year project is really important and you will get a job for sure. And the third one is aptitude. So obviously, you may ask me a question, why we need aptitude section? The reason is like aptitude will enable a person to resolve a problem solving skills. For that, the people are looking for aptitude. So in an exam, considering an IT field exam or any other companies, you'll have three types of interview sections. The one is they will call it as a written test, where they may ask you a lot of aptitude, followed by a lot of technology related stuffs, maybe C, C++ programming and other stuff, basic knowledge. And the second thing is like technical knowledge, in which department you are. So based on that, they will ask a lot of questions related to your department and it's all basics and bit of programming too. And the third thing is like it's real simple, it's HR interview questions. So you have to solve these three type of interviews to get into a job. So my personal advice, focus on your aptitude section from second year itself, maybe in first year itself, it's advisable. On the other end, this is one of the very important one, final semester. In final year, most of the students will think like, okay, I finished my degree and afterwards I'll go for job. I'll search for job. No, you should not do like that. It's seventh semester. After the seventh semester, you should start searching for job. Considering I got 7 days of week, in that 2 or 3 days, the college will ask you to come to the college. And remaining, for sure, you got 4 to 5 days of free time. What you're doing exactly? You'll be enjoying with your friends, enjoying your final year, or you'll be like engaging with your projects. The one thing we should understand is like search for a company to get internship in the final semester. Two things you can do: search for job and search for internship. Before doing these things, the one thing which you have to learn is like so like in my school age, I came to know I used to listen a story. Like considering I want to cut a tree or something like that, you should not go and cut the tree. In turn, you have to sharpen the knife or sharpen the axe. So similarly, this final semester is the last time where you can sharpen your knowledge, sharpen your technology, sharpen your technological knowledge related to your department. So you have to learn a lot of things. The one thing which is really simple is like, go to a company where the real technology is available. Go there and do an internship. Work for 3 to 4 months, weekly 3 or 4 days. They may give a chance. Utilize the opportunity, learn the technology from the company. So obviously, you may get a job. So most of the students will think like, okay, final semester, I'll go for an internship, I'll earn money. No. So if someone is giving money, obviously, you should think about the technology first, beyond money. The reason is like many students, they used to do some BPO activities, apart from that, like data entry works and everything, which is really like they will lose their life after the degree. So my personal advice is like, start learning the technology at your final semester. Maybe if you're doing well in the internship, obviously the company may take you. The job is yours. So search for an internship and work over there to learn the technology in your final semester, and search for job at your final semester itself. And the another one is like a communication. Obviously, this is one of the very important one, improving your English communication. The reason is like many students, they don't know even a single bit of English communication while coming for the interview. So improving English communication is real simple. Go to YouTube videos, search for English like channels and other stuff, and start learning the basic English. Learn English, that's the search keyword. Try it out. You get a lot of YouTube channels and videos. You can spend only 10 days is more than enough to learn the basics of English, and you can talk with your computer. The other one is focus on your attitude and transformation. See, this is one of the very important one. Companies, we thought like a company will look for my knowledge. Yes. On the other end, the companies are looking for whether the guy is good, whether he can adjust with the company, whether he can learn a lot of things, whether he can sustain with us, and apart from that, how good his attitude is. He should not spoil the environment. So my personal advice, whatever things you are while studying degree, forget everything. Move on to a new life where you should be a genuine personality to impress the opponent, the opposite interviewer, to get a job. So focus on your attitude and transformation. And this is very, very important one. See, I'm searching for a job. What we will do? Just download a resume from internet, change the name, apply for the jobs. That's not the case. You should form a clear strategy like how you are going to search for a job. What kind of resume I'm going to build, which is really different from others. One. Second thing is like in which websites the jobs are there, how I'm going to search for a job. You have to identify what areas I'm focusing to get a job, where I'm exactly strong, which technology I'm exactly strong. Apart from that, how I'm going to apply for the interviews. While applying for the interview, what is the procedure? How I'm attaching the resume, what content I'm going to type and send it to the companies, and how I'm going to track down the things, what kind of email ID I've created, what is the name of the email ID, and everything we have to form the strategy. And which technology I have to focus, everything, if you frame it, the job is yours. Thanks for watching, and we got